Hey guys, so we're going to add a little bit to Lexi's strength training today. We've already done the running with the weights, the running and the weights. We've already done the heavy bag inside, and now we're just coming straight from the heavy bag strikes. We're going to go ahead and we're going to break in, and we're going to start doing some actual live action sparring, sort of. I get to be the target, but if you hurt me, I'll kick you in the balls.
I don't have balls.
She might have balls. I kick her real hard. Watch. Ah! Okay, so anyways, guys, yeah, we're just going to work on a little bit of training. This is new to her, so give her a little bit of a minute to get used to it. All right, Lex, what I want you to do is I want you to go for one hand, and I want you to jab in it, and then I want you to cross it, okay? And then we're going to dance. So you're going to jab and cross. I'm going to step to the side. When I step to this side, you step to that side. We're going to circle each other. Okay? All right. And this is going to get some hip movement going. Ready? Go. And we're going to step. We're going to step. And we're going to step. Keep your legs bent. What was that? Are you dancing? She's doing the pirouette. What is the thing? The ballet?
I don't know. I don't dance.
Well, you just did. So let's go. Yes, yeah, switch you up. What are you leaning in for? You can't come leaning in, baby. You can't lean into it. If you lean into it, all I got to do is move and pop you in the side of the head, and you're a dead person. Knocked out, laid down. You got knocked the F out. So, we're not going to do that. I want you to be really quick. I want you to think of this as a face of your attacker. This, all of this don't exist right now. Just this. It's a ghost head. It's floating around. Floating around. Strike at the ghost head. Come on, it's like a carnival game. Keep that back foot on the ground. If you do this, I'm going to hit you with this one. The hand that don't exist is just going to come in and lightly pap you and knock you out. It might knock her out. My light paps ain't that light.
This is true.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hit me. Come on, get mad at me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Switch it in there. Oh. Go the other way. What we doing? What we doing? Faster. Faster. Okay. Stop. Alright. That's a little better, but you need to keep your legs bent. I know they're tired from the running. I know they're a little shaky. So just stretch your hips out. Let's go.
There's two of them.
Uh-huh. Whichever one you hit, I know it might hit you. What happened? What happened? What is this? This is not a thing. We do not do this. Come on. Come on. Hit it.
I'm falling in the hole.
Hit it. I'm moving away. Come on, dance with me. Oh, what was that? I'm a haymaker. Don't never throw a haymaker because it leaves every part of you open. Let's go. Come on. Spin them legs. Okay, now back up. Okay, so this time I want you to do a lunging strike. All right, back up a little bit. Now a lunging strike is where you start from your position here, and you kind of lunge at them like so. You're going to spring off your back foot, forwards, and jab. It's just it's a leap in, yeah. See how I jump in, my front leg catches me, but this is slinging all at once. Like that, okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. This is how you have to, no. You have to come in with the intent to hurt something. Back up. This is your spot right here.
I have little legs.
That's your spot right there. Okay? Sometimes you have to close the distance quickly. You don't want to just head down and charge in, do you?
No.
Okay. So, coming up this way keeps your frame right, and you just spin. Okay? Now, lunge at it. Lunge and jab. It's all I want. Bend your legs. A little wider. Put your back one back further. Turn it towards me a little bit. Okay. Front leg bent, back leg bent, everything's bent a little. Come on out. Pop out.
Max,
What are
you're
you
laughing
laughing
too
at,
hard.
Oh.
You sound like mice.
Come on, come on, come on. Into it. Whap, whap, whap. No. What is it? This, I don't understand. I don't understand what you're doing. It's a thing that I don't understand. I don't comprehend. Are you like froggy hopping me?
Oh.
Yesterday's the penguin, today is the frog. I see how it is. All right, come on. Seriously now. Seriously. Legs bent. I want you to do just like this. You see this hand? See this hand? This is your forward hand. This is your jab hand because that's my forward leg, okay? So that's my jab hand. Normal jab, it's going to go right there, right? Bam. But I need to get from here to over there. So when I want to do that, I am going to come off my back leg. I'm seeing my hips move a little bit. When I go forward.
Oh, so we're shifting weight from the back to the front and at the same time?
I'm going to kick you in the balls.
As soon as I grow a pair.
Grow a pair. That's awesome. They used to tell me that when I was a boy. They were like, man up, tough it up, nut up or shut up, grow a pair. Assholes. Come on. No.
Am I supposed to move that leg?
Yes.
Where does it go?
Forward.
Oh, so I'm jumping forward. Okay,
Sort
now
of.
you're
You're
dancing.
lunging. You're lunging forward.
It's your dancing. Lunging.
Come on. No. I'm not gonna do nothing. Wow. Help me. Wow.
Who is that?
No, it's good. Get a little now. Okay, come on. We're gonna work on this a little bit later. Let's get back to dancing. Circle-y circle. 2 hands, 2 strikes. I don't care which goes where, but I want you to hit them both and not at the same time. 1, 2, turn the hips, step around. 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 Okay? Come on. Not that one. 1, 2, 1, 2. There's 2 pads. There's 2. No, what? Okay, come on again. Uh-oh. Ah! Quit chasing me. Okay. See, what you're doing with your second hand, you're not punching. Baby, you're just putting your hand there and pushing. You have to be in and out. It's not, we don't do that. Come on. You got this. That's a little better. That's better. Better. Good. Yeah, there we go. 2 at a time. Keep your balance. You're leaning in on me. Don't lean in. You want to keep your back straight when you're doing this. You want all the movement to be just the legs, from the hips down, the legs down. You want all of this. Come around. Come in, come back. Come around one way, around the other way. Okay? It's all about keeping the legs bent so that you've got some nice stability. Okay? Okay. Switch. Fruit Ninja. Fruit Ninja. Okay. Alright, this time I want you to hit hard for real. Give me a good stance. I want a quick jab, and I want you to. Okay? Nope. Try again. Try again. You're on camera. Show them you're strong. Come on. 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 What kind of walking is that? Legs, look. Huh? Okay. Squats. When you learn something new, you do it a little bit at a time. It's only second day of strength training, so she'll get more used to this as we move on. You guys get to see it now so that you can see the improvement later. Alright, now squats. It's gonna be real simple. It's gonna be about shoulder width apart, feet straight forward and parallel. Alright, so
It was like
it
that.
wanted to
I'm
be
going
on
that
camera.
way.
It wanted to be, it was like, this, I'm on camera, y'all, I'm famous. Alright, so basically, you're going to have your arms up here, and when you squat, you're going to go down to where your butt and your knees are really close to parallel. And then up. Okay? And when you go down, your legs go kind of out, like that. And then up. Okay? And we're going to do, you want to do it? Come on, Max, jump on the camera.
I'm okay.
Okay, I'll let you do it with us. I don't mind. Nobody minds, man. Ready? 10 times. 1, 2, 3. Watch my eyes. Watch my eyes. 4. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
That's not how I do squats.
How do you do squats? That is called a twerk. That is not a squat.
No, like you hold
that
your
is a
arms
twerk.
out like this, or you do this, and you just go down and back up.
That's a twerk from hell. We're not going to do that. I don't want to do that. Guys, this is what she just told me she does for a squat. Here you go.
I didn't include that last part though.
It looked that way to me. You did like step 1. I just finished out to step 2, 3. No, a good squat, guys. A good squat engages your legs, your quads, your inner thighs, and your ass. Brings it all together. All of this is nice and tight right now. And then up. That's a good squat. Okay? Okay. We're going to end it here for today. Tomorrow, crunches.
Crunchy.